Well, the first 6 weeks of school, we jumpstart learning in first grade by training our students for the first 6 weeks of school. We provide explicit practices for learning procedures and routines, such as how do you enter, how do you exit, as well as academic and social skills such as engaging with a text or giving and accepting feedback. We use intentional language to enable students to engage in their learning and develop the academic, social, and emotional skills they need to be successful in and out of school. We provide interactive learning structures, purposeful activities that give students opportunities to engage with content in active hands-on and interactive social ways. We do this by providing the responsive classroom techniques. It enables us to have an optimum learning environment. Number one is the daily morning meeting. We gather in a circle for about 15 to 20 minutes in which we share whatever our morning meeting question was, the message that's on the board, and we take turns reacting to each person sharing. We establish the rules. Teacher and students work together to name our goals for the year when we first start first grade, and then we revisit them again. By now, we'll start revisiting to see whether or not our rules should be established the same or should our goals change. We also have short, playful, whole group activities that are used as breaks for tension. And they absolutely love this. And this is what really enables more learning in first grade. In addition to this responsive classroom techniques, learning at school requires us to pay attention, observe, understand, and set goals and have some responsibility for their own learning. We must help students to become active and goal-oriented, at the same time building on their natural desire to explore and understand new things. At CHP, teachers encourage social participation in order to advance learning. Teachers create an environment where group workspace and resources are shared, and then we model and coach so that students learn how to cooperate with each other. Learning is also facilitated as teachers help students activate prior knowledge and use it for the task at hand. Teachers can help students by asking questions so they can see our relationship from what they're reading at the moment to what they already know. Learning also occurs when teachers provide strategies in their lessons and tasks to be completed independently. Teachers help their students become self-regulated and reflective by providing many opportunities. For example, showing them how to check their thinking and ask themselves what needs to be done. How well am I doing? These strategies can help students set their learning goals. Learning becomes more effective when children learn how to explain concepts rather than memorize isolated facts and procedures. Teachers can direct students on how to provide examples to show their understanding. And finally, learning is influenced by students' motivation. At CHP, teachers recognize students' accomplishments and provide feedback to children about the strategies used to promote cooperation rather than competition. Also, teachers provide novel and interesting tasks that challenge our students' curiosity. And that is it. That's my interpretation of how children learn here at CHP in first grade. Thank you.